street. Showed me how this town shattered dreams. Another lesson about dying fool came to Babylon. Found that pie don't taste so sweet. And this guitar's Cadillac, if Billy music, long the lonely streets, San Antonio. And this guitar's Cadillac, if Billy music, only thing keeps me hanging on. Ain't no glamour in this tinsel land, lost the way it lies. Thank the scars that all left for me. Wanna thank you, girl, for teaching me brand new ways to be cruel. Never mind now, I guess I'll just leave. And this guitar's Cadillac, if Billy music, long the lonely streets I call home. And this guitar's Cadillac, if Billy music, only thing keeps me hanging on. And this guitar's Cadillac, if Billy music, long the lonely streets, San Antonio. And this guitar's Cadillac, if Billy music, only thing keeps me hanging on. The only thing keeps me hanging on. Only thing keep me hanging on. Shout out to Pete Anderson on that.
Hey, Pete, we love you. Boy, he did some great stuff, didn't
Oh,
he?
he
With
was-
Dwight? Those guys, they paved their own road.
Oh boy, Pete was great on
Laid
that
it
stuff.
down. So we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner. We're kind of featuring Gary Swan again this week. I think he's going to be around a little bit now for a while. He's kind of coming back. I
Camped
think.
out my car right at back here.
I love that. That's a good.
Makes them get here really quick.
Anyway, we're happy to have you. Get ready to do another one in 1 second, but I have some business to take care of. First of all, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and want to thank everybody for watching the shows. The numbers are coming up, so we appreciate that. Paul,
Carmine,
what about the week this week? Was it decent?
it was the week that was.
It was the week that's gone.
It's over now. It's
Well,
all
we
over
had
now.
fun.
Nothing we can do about it.
That's right. We'll have a good one next week.
I had a good
Cody,
time.
Cody, they're talking music back there, rehearsing. Cody, what's up?
Key of A.
Key of A?
Key of A,
Okay.
apparently,
That's
is-
some good
yeah,
information,
yeah.
believe me. And Palmer, you did a gig earlier today.
Crazy, man.
Down in L.A., a rockabilly gig, I hear.
Crazy cat gig.
It was good, huh?
Yeah, it was good enough.
Good. Well, I'm glad to have you. He just got here 5 minutes ago. He come running in. He said, I made it. I said, well, that's good. We have Dan Hugot as a backup because he's helping us with our camera work. Every other week, Dan's here to help Kim with the computer stuff. And I thought, well, I have a drummer in case John gets tied up too long.
And when I was driving up, I saw the shirt, and I went, now I know where to go. It's like a beam of light.
Well, and Nellie's here, and Dr. Kathy, and Dr. Teresa. And I think Colleen might be coming by, and I think Susie might drop by. So, yeah, my daughter Kim, of course, is at the helm, keeping the ship away from the rocks. Okay, Key of A, what are we doing?
Yeah, I'm telling a little story about this song. It's by Vince Gill. As you know, Vince Gill used to live down in Manhattan Beach. I was in Nashville, and he came by the Hammond organ booth, and they gave him a Leslie pedal. And I've never listened to him since. One more last chance, honey. Just give me one more last chance. One, two, three, yeah.
But she was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, rolling me in her right. Said to come on for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. Gonna listen to my preaching. Gonna meet you half dead. Give me just one more last chance before you stay with me. No, I drive you crazy, baby. This that I can do. This good old boy making noise, we're running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you stay with you. First she hid my glasses to know that I can't see. Says he ain't going nowhere, boy. You spend a little time with me. Well, my friends call the honky tonk. There's a party going on down here. But she may have took my car key. She forgot about my old John Deere. Tractor down here. Just one more last chance before you stay through. Though I drive you crazy, baby, this that I can do. Just a good old boy making love, keep coming out on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through.
him do that live in Vegas when he had JD on steel with him. I forget what club was that? At the Aladdin or the MGM, one of the big hotels. Anyway, Vince was great, is great, still great. Okay, folks, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. We just had Colleen walk in the house with Ollie and Lila. Isla. Shit. I'm never going to get that. Isla, honey, I owe you. Anyway, I owe Isla. Hit me behind you for a song. Let's go home and write it. Let's write a song. I owe Isla. I love that.
You know, Bob Smith's motto is, "I'd give them away, but my wife won't let me."
That's
what kind of deal you can get over here at Bob Smith.
That's right. He's got a nice wife too. I know it. Paul,
Carmine.
why don't you do something for
I
us?
think I will.
Okay.
Ollie actually made a request before I left home to come here. Ollie, what was that song you wanted to hear? Let's do it.
Okay.
That's a great choice. This is a song about a guy who's having some tough luck in life, but he figures if he can just make it to Lake Charles, where the casinos are, he can get some luck going on his side, and everything's going to be okay. Take me to Lake Charles, I could win $100. Buy some milk and mashed potatoes, maybe buy you some flowers. I lost my license when Rita came ashore. Trying to help my sister, I dropped it on the floor. So take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. You can wear 21's coming to me. except for one thing. Well, I can't drive legal, I can't drive at all. Interstate 10 is a crawling with the law. The Louisiana troopers, you know they never sleep. Got twisted disposition and they target the free. So take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Oh, take me to Lake Charles. 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 Take me to Lake Charles.
Damn.
All right.
Yeah, you done all right.
It's a good song. Cody, you want to sing one? What was that?
Yeah. Why not?
You gotta think about it.
I had to.
Hey, all right, it's a good
It
thing.
didn't come to me right away. But I'm thinking the key of G.
We're gonna get Cody to sing us a song.
City North.
This was the shirt I was gonna wear, but it's too hot.
City Northern. Key of G.
Don't tell us what it is. I want it to be a surprise.
Told me what it was, and I'm still surprised.
If I told you the chords, I'd have to create them.
Riding on the city of New Orleans, Illinois Central Monday morning rail. 15 cars and 15 restless riders, 3 conductors and 25 sacks of mail. And all along the southbound Odyssey, the train pulls out Kankakee and rolls along past houses, farms, and fields, passing trains that have no names and train yards full of old black men and the graveyards full of rusted automobiles. Hey, good morning, America, how are you? Say, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train they call City of New Orleans. I've been gone 500 miles when the day is done. Daily in cars with the old man in the club car. There's just a penny a point, ain't no one keeping score. Pass the paperback that holds a bottle, and just feel the wheels rumbling beneath the floor. And the sons of Pullman motors and the sons of engineers right there by this magic carpet made of steel. Mothers with their babes asleep, rocking to the gentle beat, and the rhythm of the rails is all they feel. Good morning, America, just a change in cars in Memphis, Tennessee. Halfway home, we'll be there by morning. Through the Mississippi darkness rolling out to sea. And all the towns and the people seem to fade into a bad dream. The steel rail still ain't heard the news. The conductor sings his song again. The passengers who breathe refrain. This train's got the disappearing railroad blues. Good morning, America, how are you? Say, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train they call City of New Orleans. I've been gone 500 miles when the day is done. Yes, I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. Yes, I'll be.
Thanks for
Thank you.
teaching me that song.
For not knowing the chords, you did really good.
You know, I don't really know that song very well, but you know,
Gotta
the-
learn it somewhere.
some songs, the chords are so closely related that if you just stay in one area and just play a bunch of stuff, it fits. And that's one of those kind of songs. Everything's like right there. You don't have to go way off and do a bunch of stuff. So that's it. I played like 3 notes in 4 different positions, and I had a great solo. Okay, that was it. So what do you got?
Don't give away all our secrets.
Oh, wait. Maybe Swan's up. I'm losing track. Gary, do another one.
I like that song.
It's a great song.
He did a great job.
We got it. Well, he does everything. Well, Nelly said something, but I didn't. What do you got, Gary?
Boy, you caught me on surprise.
Is anybody listening to us today?
Yeah.
There's a friend of mine named Howard Bell. Good pool player, big tall guy. We're always playing one pocket together. And he keeps writing in. I keep forgetting to say hello. And then there's Pam and Judy from Knott's Berry Farm. I want to thank them. And there's a whole bunch of others. I just can't keep up with it. But we love all you guys. Thank you. Thank you for supporting
Okay,
us.
I'll do this. It's off my 25th album
Okay.
called My Struggle to Stay at the Bottom.
Where key you at? Okay, play it.
None of our business.
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. The next time the phone rings, Lord, I won't answer it. I don't want to be the fool I was tonight. I don't want to know the truth. I don't want to see the proof.
when it takes you by the hand. You're gonna do me wrong, do it right. If you're gonna break my heart all to pieces, then walk right out that door. Leave me alone. Take off your wedding band when it takes you by the hand. You're gonna do me wrong, do it right. You're gonna do me wrong, do it right.
I kept forgetting what key I was in.
Z.
I know, but I kept forgetting. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. I hope it sounds okay out there. We were kind of rushed today, and we didn't really get to do a sound check. So, but we just kind of did what we do every week, and I think it's going to be okay. What do you think? I think we're fine. Might be just good. That's right. Maybe it would be better. Anyway, I'm going to check my tuning, and somebody do something. Take over.
Well, that was something. I think that Paul Marshall is
Paul, you chomping at the bit?
chomping at the bit.
Chomping.
You chomping, boy.
Key of E.
I love this song. Hey.
I looked over Jordan low, sweet chariot, come for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, come for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, come for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home.
I love it.
All right. Well, if you missed church this morning, that'll cover it. That'll cover it for you.
Yeah, you're okay now. So, how much time we got? Oh, we still got about 30 minutes. 25, 30 minutes, something like that. Gary, you want to do another one? You're kind of the feature artist tonight.
I said I wore this shirt. This is a nice shirt,
Yeah.
but I was too hot. I got to plan.
Oh, Colleen's leaving. Bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Bye. Bye, John Palmer.
See, now that I'm
Bye, you guys. See you later.
guest
You
artist.
got to put your shirt on now?
Well, I'm the guest
It's hot
artist.
here today.
I'm the guest artist. I gotta look.
Hey, I want to apologize for doing the first 15 minutes of the show with no lights. The floodlights went on, and Kim went over and plugged them in. About the third, fourth song, I think, something like that. So thank you, Kim. I appreciate you watching my back.
Well, she noticed that the screen was dark.
Yeah, I know. But I'm sure they saw us just fine. Oh, and the gate. I never closed the gate, man. I am totally blowing it this week. We never put the fence up. Now we're doing it now, and we didn't have the lights on, and I
Let your
can't
dog out.
get my guitar to sound. Well, I'm comfortable. Sounds too bright.
Here's a song I wrote about myself, and somebody stole it from me.
What are you doing?
Oh, lonesome me.
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
One, two, three, four. Everybody's going out, having fun. Just a fool for staying home, having none. Can't get over
bet she's not like me. She's out of fancy free, flirting with a boy, all her charm. Well, I still love her so, brother, don't you know? I welcome her right back here in my arms. Must be somewhere I can lose, Lord, lose. Get up out the past, find somebody new. All of everything, A to Z. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me.
There was a big crowd here. They'd be clapping.
So we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and take that shirt off. You're making me hot wearing that thing right now. And this is Carmine's Country Corner and the Wild Country Band, and Gary Swan's been gone for quite a while, and lately he's been coming around. So, Gary, we love you. I'm glad you're here. And Cody's been coming up off and on, lately mostly on. So I want to thank Cody. Steve Travato keeps calling me and saying, I'm going to come up, but then he doesn't show. He was coming for a while. Steve was here. We're having a lot of fun, and then I don't know. I think he's playing that blues stuff or something. I don't know.
Oh, no.
Well, I don't know. What are you gonna do?
That's
You know?
just
It's good stuff. I like it.
Ah,
That's why I met Steve. I met Steve at Michael's in North Hollywood on Oxnard. That's where I met Gary Swan at a blues jam. Me playing blues. You imagine? Well, I wasn't really playing blues. I was playing country at a blues jam. Is what I was doing. But we had a lot of fun. Did it about 13 years. Met a whole bunch of people that I never, you know.
I stopped in a couple of times and
I know.
I got up and pretended to play blues.
Oh no, you can play all that. You guys are good. You guys play all that stuff. But yeah, Ken Berry, man, what a great guitar player. Of course, Eric Garcia.
Yeah.
I can go on and on. Frank Christopher. Oh, geez, there's 100 of them. The guys we met at those jams, and they're just great players. Okay, so he sang one. I don't want to sing one today. I can't get a tone out of my guitar that I like. I'm playing like.
I got one.
Playing. Oh, good. Thank you, Paul. Saved me again.
Yes,
Go ahead.
sir.
What do we got?
Oh, let's do that. There Goes My Everything.
I love that song. Now I'm gonna sit down and relax. Cody, cover me.
Hey, key of A. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. I hear footsteps slowly walking as they gently walk across my lonely floor. And a voice is softly speaking, saying this will be goodbye forevermore. And there goes my reason for living. And there goes the one of my dreams. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. I can see those happy years we had before. Now the love that kept this old heart beating has been shattered by the closing of the door. There goes my reason for living. There goes the one of my dreams. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. There goes my reason for living. There goes the one of my dreams. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. How we doing?
We're doing great. A little bit of time left. About another 2 songs, 3 songs. Cody, want to do another?
D.
D-Dog?
D-Dog with feeling.
All right.
Many months have come and gone since I've wandered from my home in those Oklahoma hills where I was born. Many a page of life has served, many a lesson I have learned, but I feel it's in those hills I still belong. Way down yonder in the Indian Nation, I rode my pony on the reservation in the Oklahoma hills where I was born. Way down yonder in the Indian Nation, the cowboy life is my occupation in the Oklahoma hills where I was born. Let's go to E from Ba. Well, as I sit here today, many miles I am away from the place I rode my pony through the draw, where the oak and blackjack trees get some faithful prairie breeze, and that Oklahoma hill where I was born. Oh, Paul, sing with me. Well, way down yonder in the Indian Nation, I rode my pony on the reservation in the Oklahoma hill where I was born. Yeah, way down yonder in the Indian Nation, cowboy life is my occupation in the Oklahoma hill where I was born. Even Carmine was there once. Dig it, Cody. Well, way down yonder in the Indian Nation, I rode my pony on a reservation in the Oklahoma hills where I was born. Yeah, way down yonder in the Indian Nation, cowboy life is my occupation in the Oklahoma hills where I was born. Oklahoma, when those Oklahoma hills where I was born.
Oh, yeah. That song was
Well, why
a
not?
big hit for Hank Thompson, written by Jack Guthrie, who's purportedly Woody's brother.
Really?
That's what they said. I don't know if it's true or not.
They both deny it.
Is it true? I don't know.
I think so.
Jack Guthrie?
Jack, really?
Guthrie, yeah.
Guthrie, Jack Guthrie.
And some people said that,
You could
that
check
Woody,
with Al.
some people actually
5
said
minutes,
Woody
yeah.
wrote it, but he had to, there was some kind of contractual publishing thing, and he ended
Oh,
up,
yeah.
putting his brother's name on it.
Well,
I don't know if any of that's true, but it's a
knows?
story anyway.
Anyway, it's a good
Anyway, Cody sang the heck out of it, so that's all that
He
counts.
did and played the heck out of it too. Gary, take us home. We got one last song, folks. We're going to go on after this. See you next week. Don't be late. Thank you all for coming. We love you guys. I'll talk to you later.
Well, come on, whole lot of chicken on. Come on over, we got a chicken in the morning. I ain't begging, whole lot of chicken on. Come on over, we got a bull battle on my home. Come on over. We got a bull battle. Hey, baby, whole lot of chicken on. You know, I'd like to hear a little bit of that. A little bit of that. Drum roll there. Drum pal. Give me some of that drumming. All together. Oh, you smoking boy. Well, hey, baby, shake. Shake it, baby, shake. Shake
You know what I like to hear? A little bit of that bass guitar, y'all. Mr. Paul Marshall all day long. I let it shake, shake, baby, shake. Shake it, baby, shake. Shake it, baby, shake. Shake it, baby, shake. Come on over. When you wear that dress, the sun comes shining through. When you wear that dress, the sun comes shining through. Woo! Baby, I don't know what I'll do. Sit, rattle and roll. Sit, rattle and roll. Sit, rattle and roll. Sit, rattle and roll. Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing but show that soul. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Don't do nothing. Use that doggone soul.
All right, well, all right. That's Gary Swan.
Really know that arrangement, but that was a lot of fun, guys.
We got Cody Bryant, Carmen Sardo. I'm Paul Marshall, and John Palmer's there, and we got all these people doing all these things.
We had nothing but fun.
How we doing?
Are we off?